away, take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my...
I'm about to go into labor.
Push. Good push. Bring your knees back. Alright, she's out. Oh my goodness. We're gonna move your shirt down.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today we're going to be doing a 24 hours in the life with a newborn, guys. Baby is sleeping. I'm literally watching her like a hawk. I'm trying to see if I can breastfeed her. I've been trying to breastfeed her for the past should I say 2 hours, but she's just sleeping and she's not waking up. I'm literally like touching her face to see if she can like respond, but like the sleep she's in right now is something else, so I'm gonna let her rest. But yeah, she has a checkup in the next 30 minutes, so the midwife is coming over to do a little bit of like blood work to see how far how she's been. So far so good. Yeah, so that's about it for now. I have a couple of things I want to do today, but guys, this is the real situation. I feel like I'm even more lively than I should be, considering that yesterday was something else. I'm still having like PTSD. So yeah, if you're someone, I don't know, I wouldn't give it an advice, but if you feel like you cannot handle pain, definitely seek for alternative pain management methods, right? I think I want to finally take her pictures today. Nothing too serious. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit serious though. See my little baby. See my little baby. And she's just like awake and she's just like so cute. Yes, you are. So I want to take like her pictures and make sure that they are at least a bit decent, you know. So it's nothing professional, it's not a newborn shoot, it's just a picture for family and friends, I guess. My face is literally glowing. I'm looking like a speck. Yes, I am wrapping my waist already because this stomach has to go in less than a month. But then with help and maybe a little bit of like exercise when you are fit, that'll be like maybe the next 6 weeks. But for now, the best thing I can do is to wrap my tummy. I'm hoping that it works the second time. But yeah, I don't want to talk too much. I feel like I've already said a lot, but we're just going to be walking through the entire day. It's amazing how like they know how to like latch on and start breastfeeding.
You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason.
So the midwife just left. They just checked her. Her heart is amazing. Everything looks good. The only concern is she might have a little bit of jaundice. So they just took her blood to test, basically, to see if it's like really severe, if she needs to go under the light. But like they did the heel prick and her legs are like so red and it's so small. I need to wear her socks so it doesn't get cold. But she's like sleeping right away.
Take it away, feeling too good to me.
There we cover you
Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
So I'm gonna just let her sleep. She cried quite a bit while they were taking the sample. And yeah, once she wakes up, I'm gonna have to breastfeed her because that jaundice needs to leave ASAP. So I have this announcement card. I want to use this to kind of like take pictures with her. And I took this to the hospital, but we didn't spend up to 4 hours at the hospital. So we were like in and out, basically. I want to do this now. I need to just fill it up. So her name, Kayla Osagi, and the date of birth was February 26th.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
Yeah. So we have this already. this is going to be the card that I'm going to be using to take pictures. So I need to like figure out her outfit, like what she's going to wear. But I'm thinking I want to wrap her. She's just laying on my bed sleeping peacefully. And I think I want to wrap her. I'm probably going to use this like pink and white wrap. I just want something simple like this, basically. But let me see her hair. Her hair is there, but it's not as full as Cousin's hair. Hey, my baby. So we'll kind of work with it either ways. I'll just wear like this. Baby girl, I'm so sorry, but this is what happens when your mom is a content creator. You gotta look cute. I think we're good. I think I'm gonna place her on her bed and kind of just go with it, I guess.
Take it away, feeling too good to me.
Let me try and take some pictures to see what she looks like. Let me add just a little bit of Vaseline because I feel like her lips are a little bit too dry.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me.
This is what my princess is looking like. I feel like the head is a bit too much. But she's looking so gorgeous.
You always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain holds you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way.
So I'm absolutely enjoying the shoot, to be honest with you. I think I'm enjoying it way too much. So what I want to do is, I feel like this bed is a little bit like restrictive in the sense that like it's not letting me have enough space to work with. I want to take her to the ground. That's what we're gonna do. I'm sorry, my love. Mommy's almost done, okay?
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah. I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now. But my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. When
I want to just kind of chill. I didn't sleep well last night because baby was I was kind of paranoid, let me just be honest with you, because I was trying to make sure that she was eating and like sleeping well. If you guys know the drama with having a newborn, like you literally just watch them like a hawk. So I was watching her all through the night to make sure that like she's breathing well and she's sleeping well. And so my boobs are a little bit engorged now. I'm using these heat pads. I just warmed them up in the microwave. Yeah, I'm doing like heat therapy for the next 1 week. I'm heating up the boobs obviously for the next couple of days. It is engorged, it's painful because now the body's trying to get used to the milk supply demand and production as well. Then I'm also doing a heat compress for my tummy as well. And lastly, I'm doing like a sit hot bath for the perineal area. We're doing exclusive again, fingers crossed, but when life happens, if life happens and I cannot maintain that consistency, we're definitely topping up with a bit of formula because I really cannot kill myself, to be honest with you. But the goal is to be consistent with breastfeeding actually. So I want to quickly bathe my baby.
I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now. But my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. When it's scary to give in, but somehow love always wins. But then I'm lonely, and my mind doesn't understand. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all.
Hey guys, so baby K just showered. I just finished my tea, so I'm trying to drink a lot of hot fluids. So I had tea, it's like a ginger honey tea, and it was amazing. It just did something to me, I don't know why. So I was having that, but now I need to take hot fluids instead of cold fluids, apparently, so that like the system can be flushed, I guess, and soothed at the same time. So yeah, I'm trying to have lunch right now. I am having lunch right now. I'm having rice with moi moi and sauce as well. So I'm currently watching Outer Banks, and I think this is a season 2. So yeah.